Update SQLite table data using Python programming language. Hi everyone, welcome to this new lesson. In this lesson we will update the product table quantity value by 20% more. Simply we will update the quantity in the table. Each time we run the Python file, the quantity will increase by an additional 20%. For this purpose, we will use the execute function to update the quantity value. Here we placed cur execute update product set quantity equals quantity plus quantity multiplied by 0.2 in between braces. This is the easiest and simplest way to update the product table quantity value by 20% more. Now let's see the new update for that table that we previously created inside the database. After running this file, you will find that this code that we have written has updated the quantity value inside the table inside the database. Each time you run this file, the value will increase by an additional 20%. That's it. Try to do this by yourself. And if you need any help, please ask me and I'll answer you as soon as possible. I hope you have understood this simple lesson well. Thanks a lot for watching.